Hello everyone, this is Shriyam Balaji. In this video, I'll give an overview of the hands-on tutorials for this course. Let's get started. This hands-on tutorials helps you to learn how to build a Microsoft Power Pages site that's linked to a business information which is stored in Dataverse. So just want to give a fictional scenario so that it makes it more meaningful. A training company wants to conduct a online Power Pages trainings. They need a Power Pages portal where users can register for the courses. So you need to do the following hands-on tasks. One, we create online courses and course registration tables. So once you create the tables, create forms for the course registrations, then create table permissions for the tables, and create a list page to show the registrations, create a page for new registrations, and create pages to view and update registrations, and finally link the list page to new update and view pages. Want to share a quick demo of the result of the hands-on tutorial. You have the registrations page. You get the list page, which is a list of all the registrations. Then I can view the details here, and then I come back. I can create new registrations, the create page, and finally the edit. So I can say edit. So it's going to the edit page. I can actually edit the registrations. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.